I'm making more stuff for my husband's work. They've been just so great. I'm just so grateful for them, and I just want them to have a very Merry Christmas and diabetes. I'm just kidding. But I saw so many freaking awesome goodies on like TikTok and Instagram and stuff, and I'm like, I'm making that now. Let me see how cute they turn out. Because last year I made my own cookies, and then I decorated them with icing and stuff too, and gave to the neighbors and stuff. So I'm gonna do something kind of similar, but hopefully even yummier this time. So we're gonna make some cake pops, some chocolate covered pretzels, little Oreo like snowmen, and microwave candy, which is freaking delicious and super duper easy. It's just delicious. So I just wanted to show you guys what we do, and since there's so many things I have to dip in chocolate, I figured I'd go ahead and just melt that because we're gonna get that for the cake pops and for the chocolate covered pretzels. So I'm gonna get these going.
Have a holly jolly Christmas. It's the best time of the year.
Alright, now that we've got our cookies covered, we're going to start with the pretzels. Make sure that you put your sprinkles on almost immediately after you cover them because they dry pretty quickly. But now we're going to go to putting our little earmuffs on and then letting them sit in the fridge afterward. Now onto our cake pops. I saw this awesome trick on TikTok for making cake pops just as good as Starbucks with using Little Debbie's. They didn't have their Christmas ones at my location, so I got what I could. I got some little chocolate Little Debbie's and then some little birthday cake ones, so that way I can make chocolate and vanilla, and they turned out fantastic.
And in case you didn't hear, oh by golly, have a holly jolly Christmas this year. Have a holly jolly Christmas. It's the best time of the year. I don't know if there'll be snow, but have a cup of cheer. Have a holly jolly Christmas. And when you walk down the street, say hello to friends you know and everyone you meet. Have a holly jolly Christmas. And in case you
Coating these is harder than I thought it was gonna be. My gosh, what a mess.
Christmas this year. Have a holly jolly Christmas. It's the best time of the year. I don't know if there'll be snow, but have a cup of cheer. Have a holly jolly Christmas. And when you walk down the street, say hello to friends you know and everyone you meet. Ho, ho, the mistletoe is hung where you can't see. Somebody waits for you, kiss him once for me. Have a holly jolly Christmas. And in case you didn't hear, oh by golly, have a holly jolly Christmas this year.
Now onto my grandma's world famous microwave candy, she calls it. It's friggin' delicious. It's unlike anything else that I've ever had. So I use like a half a bag of semi-sweet chocolate, a half a bag of dark chocolate, and a half a bag of butterscotch chips because that makes a whole lot. You melt it slowly every 30 seconds or so. Make sure that when you get peanuts, they have to be the Spanish peanuts. Like it just doesn't taste the same without the Spanish peanuts. And then you just add and add and add until it is not so chocolatey, but more thick pieces of candy instead.
Sleigh bells ring, are you listening in the lane?
Okay, so once they're all done hardening, they'll look like this. Good little chocolate. Crunchy, salty, and sweet. And that butterscotch just like, oh, it just pops. It's just freaking awesome. delicious. Doesn't take long. Microwave candy, y'all.
Okay, so look how cute everything turned out. The cake pops turned out so freaking adorable. Then my microwave candies, and we got our Oreos covered in chocolates. I made the little snowman with chocolate and Oreos, and chocolate covered pretzels. I made the microwave candy, put all sorts of stuff in there. So yeah, all my homemade goodies. Feel like I'm fixing to go into a diabetic coma from all the sugar that I have eaten. I haven't eaten any of the cake pops, but I do hope they are delicious and everyone loves them. And so I'm gonna get Justin to put these in the fridge though, because it's all chocolate. So I'm like, yeah, it needs to stay cold, but it definitely turned out cute. I hope that it helps Justin's coworkers get ready for the holidays and have a little good treats to get them through the rest of the week until Christmas is here this weekend. So Merry Christmas, Happy Holidays, and here are the treat ideas. I hope that you like it, and if you try them out, let me know how yours turn out.
Sleigh bells ring, are you listening? In the lane, snow is glistening. A beautiful sight, we're happy tonight. Walking in a winter wonderland.